Andhra, and those who have gone outside India, those who are elsewhere. Because once you say that the 4-year requirement for schooling is illegal, then anybody and everybody can come in. Then where is the...
Yes, something, right? It's a domicile. Well, so your lordship may say if somebody does not have a domicile in terms of a registered domicile in any other state or has not been residing abroad, then he can come in. Those are the two things.
And that you must be domiciled in Telangana.
That's right. As long as you're domiciled. So those two exclusions are there. So the court concern is taken care of. If somebody is sitting in Dubai, he can't take benefit. So exclude somebody who's been residing abroad. Exclude somebody who's domiciled in Andhra.
All right, we'll have it over. Yes. We'll keep it on Monday because we have to be in a combination of three to modify that order.
Lordship, may just call for my writ petition, DD 44665.
Diary number 44682 as well.
All right.
Diary number 44682.
We'll give it to the Coastmaster.
So pass on the diary number, not writ petition subject.
Now, what about the next? We'll see on Monday.
Grateful.
44.
Grateful.
No interim arrangements for
Monday. There are 16 rounds of counseling. Yes.
Grateful.
Pleasure.
It's my application. In this, the benefit of daily rated Mazdoor has been employed by Zilla Parishad, not by the government, without permission by the government. Has been taking the benefit of that order, Malaz, 1988 order. According to us, you could not employ anyone. Zilla Parishad's appointment without the government agreeing to it is invalid. Malaz will come to the relevant rule. Is at page 73, Malaz.
Page 73.
This is in the rules. A panchayat may, with the prior approval of the administrator, create such posts of officers and employees as may be necessary for carrying out the work of the panchayat and may make appointment to such posts. So, well, the employees will have to be appointed in consonance. And that seems to be also what the view of at page 112, Malaz, page 112, the third paragraph from the top. This is the resolution which the Zilla Panchayat passes. The House has also requested the chair and the chief executive officer to pursue the matter with urban and land development and Andaman and Nicobar administration immediately and obtain approval to engage 45 DRMs, daily rated Mazdoors, in Zilla Parishad within 2 months. So that's also the understanding of Zilla Parishad, that they cannot make an appointment with us. But the court says you give them the benefit of the order because they worked and things of that sort. Because this opens the floodgates for other Zilla Parishads to make these appointments.
Yes, yeah. You should notice.
My lord, I am appearing for the respondents.
John Mullins.
Yes.
Yeah. My lord, my lord will see that the regulation was not placed by my senior. My lord, this writ court and the appeal court both consider this aspect. These petitioners are working from 2006 onwards. The 7 June 1988 notification says that.
What does the regulation say?
Whoever.
This is what I placed.
My lord, regulation, my lord, it is an autonomous body after the 73rd amendment. Now, my lord, these petitioners were working as daily rated employees. And in terms of the 7 June 1988, the court said they are discharging the duties of regular employee. You pay them 1/30th of the pay plus dearness allowances. What wrong the court has committed, my lord? This is the only issue. They were working. And my lord, both the court, writ court and the appellate court has considered all the regulation, all the judgments of the Supreme Court.
Tell us what is the judgment of the single judge?
Well, in both cases, my lord,
we
raised this question.
Single judge judgment, my lord, kindly see single judge.
Where is the single judge's judgment?
Judgment, my lord, page 167 onwards, my lord. And relevant, my lord, may kindly see the relevant paragraphs at para 45 page.
Single judge, my lord, it starts off at 166, 167, my lord. And my relevant portion, which I want, is 179.
Page 181, my lord.
There is no page 166 at all.
Page 181, my lord, is the operative portion, my lord, of the judgment.
We have only 4 annexures.
167, my lord.
Mr. Banerjee, we have only 4 annexures in our digitized copy.
P9, my lord.
We have only up to P4, by the way.
I'm sorry, my lord. That's the brief I have, my lord.
Then additional folder, all right. It's coming in the end.
P9, my lord, 167. That's the start.
All right. Yes, we have it.
My lord, court has just asked them, you are
Page 179, Malas, I was, where this issue is considered. They say that the Malas have seen the provision at 179 and 37. This is what we agreed by single judges.
Inasmuch as the 1994 regulation is concerned,
The same gives sufficient autonomy to Zilla Parishad to function and engage workers, which according to us is contrary to the regulations. I've pointed that out. Supervisor,
my lord, the regulation will prevail.
cannot be cited
my
by the
lord.
administration to
This
justify
is only
out-
rules.
now that we have seen this, now show us the rule, all right?
Malas, that's the rule I pointed out at
Just come again.
73, Malas. Appointment of officers, employees. That seems to be the understanding. I took my lord to the resolution of the panchayat as well. A panchayat
73, right?
73,
Just a moment.
and it's like 45. Page 73, Malas. 96 of PDF, Malas.
90. And what is the regulation?
Malas, that's the 45, Malas.
Appointment of officers and employees of panchayat and conditions of service. With the
My
prior
lord, this is
approval of the
government, regular employees.
Create such posts and officers and employees as may be necessary for carrying out the work. So, Malas, they need, and that's why I took my lord through a resolution. The resolution is at page 112, Malas.
112.
Yes, that the resolution starts earlier. The resolution starts at page 111,
Yes, we have 112.
and at 112, Malas, the third paragraph. That seems to be the understanding of Zilla Parishad as well. The House has also requested the Chair and Chief Executive Officer to pursue the matter with the Secretary, Administration immediately and obtain approval to engage 45 DRMs. So, Malas, they also understand that they need our approval for that. What the High Court and both the single judge and the single judge effectively says regularize them, which they cannot.
No, my lord. Regularization was never said by single judge. My lord, single bench said you are extracting service of the regular employee.
We have no
You
idea.
pay them 1/30th of the pay.
We have no idea who these people are. The master rolls which were produced were disregarded by.
My lord, everything was produced before the High Court. High Court was not convinced. High Court said you pay them 1/30th of pay. They are daily rated employees, my lord. They are not the regular employees. Only the court said you
But
pay 1/30th.
Is it a fact that there was no approval by the government?
My lord, it's
The rules say that it has to be with the prior approval of
that
the
is with
state.
regard, my lord, that is with regard to permanent
File a-
appointment.
You file a counter, we'll have to consider. We can't throw it out of hand.
My lord,
We'll issue an-
my lord, after they have filed it, my lord, even they were not allowed to work, my lord.
There shall be a stay of the operation.
If-
of the
let them
judgment.
stay
till the next
there.
day. In the meantime, the contempt proceedings, which have been instituted before the High Court, shall stand adjourned for the present.
Deeply obliged.
Shall be adjourned for the present.
Obliged.
Yes. Right.
Item 49.
Well, it's for item 49, there's an order of this court. So may I take you to that order first?
We had appointed
You've extended the period to
till
15th
15th of November, right?
Well, but
Right.
your lordships, they had filed an MA with the exact same prayer which your lordships disposed of. The whole idea, Lords, if your
No, but
lordships
let me
recollect.
just-
No, I'll tell- very well.
No, I'll just tell you my.
The prayer is identical. The request is
This was for the summoning of those two
that's
witnesses.
correct.